opening an NIB ceiling fan. Let me just get my tools real quick. Alright, let's try this lead pencil. See if it'll penetrate the tape. Nope, there it goes. Let's use my finishing tool of choice. A coin. Try not to damage the blades underneath. This fan was unopened for 26 years. It says 2000 on the bottom of it, so yeah. It's just, oh my goodness. Yeah. Did that even do anything? Yeah, it did. Oh yeah, that tape is definitely definitely old. Hold on. Alright, and let's open it, and here we are. We got the manuals and stuff. Set that off to the side. The unopened pack of blades. And all the hardware and stuff right here. The pull chains and screws and whatnot. This mounting bracket. Lift up the styrofoam, and you got everything else. The motor, kind of small, but this is what I was hoping wouldn't be broken, so I'm glad it's not. The motor housing, put that right there. There's the rage baiter. The motor, yay! And finally, these little blade arms. Wow, this is small. The blades are a lot smaller than I thought they'd be. Still nonetheless pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.